In today's universe, the new and traditional business institutions are needful portions of the commercial exercise. The business institutions own mechanisms for evaluation and measurement of its actions so that it can enclose the goodness of the services presented and the gratification of its customers. The business institutions fundamentally face the barriers of checking and offering resolution in connection to the most appropriate mechanism to develop and guarantee the goodness of their services or manufacture. In modern years, with the evolution of market competition, globalization, and development in communication movements, quality management has actually begun to be a pivotal strategy for institutions to preserve their market location. The realization of equality is possibly more prevalent and strong globally than at any period in history. Institutions have recognized that the opener to elevated profitability and productivity is developing quality. Quality management exercises relate to management plans and strategies that are substantial in assisting companies to develop quality, minimize costs, and elevate output. Complexity theory supplies many notions which can be implemented alongside various extant theoretical systems to see complex phenomena in various tracks. Environmental management and quality management are business exercises that may profit institutions. As various empirical surveys present, implementing QM efficaciously affects company performance positively. Today, as the universe has increased more complex and as well, it supplies unattainable or counterproductive to attempt to break frameworks down into portions. Holism merits a position as a complementary and equal associate to reductionism. Anyway, a number of considerable advantages arise for managers if they embrace holistic reasoning. Some survey for improved countries has discovered to prove that certified companies are more prosperous than non-certified companies in expressions of financial measurements like return on properties. ISO 9001 is actually a section of the more universal notion of TQM and as such treats with organizational matters. Having accomplished ISO 9001 certificate, many companies only perform their business in harmony with the documented QMS in order to earn the highest advantages from it automatically. To reply to the race on universal competition, a great number of companies have performed ISO 9001 QMS, striving to reply to interior motives or to exterior stakeholder compressions and accomplish elevated performance. Interior motives are linked to the intent of developing interior institution, while exterior motives are originally linked to promotional sites like marketing and picture promotion. Overall, the popular theory founded on empirical proof is that companies which have applied the ISO 9001 standard, led by interior motives like product quality development or operation development, most oftentimes report favorable developments in this situation in compared with firms that have embraced the similar standard led by exterior agents like enhanced firm picture and provider picture. In other expressions, the companies led by exterior agents report exterior advantages. For example, developed connection with suppliers and clients, or no advantages at all. Isonautica 1 was initially released in 1987 via ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, which is a universal agency contained of the nationalist standards frames of more than 160 lands. The present version of standard ISO 9001 2015 was issued in September 2015. We can summarize that ISO 9001 2015 emphasizes the demand for managing alteration when matched with the former ISO 9001 2008 edition. Thus far, companies demand to completely manage alteration to be eligible to effectively develop their business outcomes and operations, as Fonseca and Dominguez demonstrated in their survey study amongst a delicate specimen of IRCA auditors throughout the world.